This is game-changing. This is different than anything I've ever seen before. We're used to drugs. That is what the FDA approves. And here's a cellular product. It's not science fiction. It's not a clinical trial. This is something that we as clinicians can now prescribe and order for our patients, and that's just pretty exciting. Acute lymphoblastic leukemia is a cancer of the blood. It's the most common cancer we see in children. We went from a disease that was virtually incurable before 1950 to one today where over 90% of the children and teenagers who come through the door with leukemia are cured of the disease. So at the time of first relapse, bone marrow transplant can be an effective treatment, but for the 10% that nothing's working, we're searching for new treatments and new hope. We've always suspected that the immune system plays some role in wiping up cancer. Could there be a way that we can enhance the immune system response to cancer so that these immune cells, these T cells, really look for leukemia and attack it? What the CAR T cell is really a genetically engineered T cell. We take the patient's own T cells from their body, they go to a lab, they genetically engineer that T cell so that what the T cell now is looking for is the leukemia cell. What we're doing is relying on the body's own ability to fight something bad. When we give those T cells back to a patient, all those T cells come into the body, and what they're looking for is that ALL cell. And when they find that ALL cell, they'll kill it like they'll kill an infection. This is a completely different mechanism than anything we've done before. It is amazing. There aren't that many centers in the US that offer this cutting-edge therapy. Here at Dana-Farber Boston Children's, we are able to have that depth of experience and expertise that can do that. I've been treating patients for ALL for over 20 years now, and I can tell you that we're seeing responses in patients that didn't respond to other treatments. It's really exciting. With the advent of these CAR T cells and other immunotherapies, we're reaching a different point in what we can offer someone with multiply relapsed refractory disease.